Hello everyone, my name is Abdurrakhman Kalumian. Uh, my university is Austin Technical University. I'm here to present the final project of the workplace education. For that, for the DataCamp. So this is the project, the final project. Says the final project in SQL, analyzing associated data science with SQL, query standard language for the final project. Okay, this is the content of the project. So, let's go into it first. Firstly, we will read what uh, what we want to do for the projects, or what does he want from us to do for this project. Okay, find out how much wholesales. Okay, wholesales of what? Of the content of all the data. There's a wholesale sales, sales that someone buys something. Okay, wholesales means all sales. Okay, net revenue each for the client. Per the client generated per month. Okay, per warehouse in the data set. The query should be saved as revenue per product line. When we go here, you see revenue by product line. It is saved already with product revenue by product line using SQL. SQL, it is standard query language, cell provided and contain the following. I think you see here your query output should be presented in the following format: product line, month, warehouse, net revenue. This means we have four columns, but in the data and the data and the table data, with there are many tables or many fields. Okay, there are many fields. Sorry, there are many fields in the table, but we want just product line and month and warehouse and net revenue. Let's go again. Product line, month, but month split as June and July, August. He uh, Here we will use the case statement because June, July extract from dates. Okay. Warehouse, it didn't give me any information. Net revenue, the sum of total. Okay, the sum of total. He used here aggregation function. Okay, we will use aggregation function because sum of total non minus and the sum of payment fee. Okay, payment fee, there is field total and there is field called payment fee. The result should be stored in the product line and month followed net revenue descending order. Okay, this is related descending, but there is a catch here. When we use aggregation function, okay, and the other column, other selecting column, they are in outside the aggregation function, and that means we need to use group by. Group by means that if you use aggregation function, we need to put that field which is didn't use aggregation function and put it in the group by. You will see in the this is you will see in the here. I will use select as general. I will select all rows from the table. I think the table called see here. You're working for a company that sells motorcycle parts, and they ask it for some help in analyzing their sales data. They operate their three warehouses in the area, selling both retail and wholesales. They offer a variety of parts and expect credit cards and cash and bank transfer as payment methods. However, each payment type incurs a different fee. The board of directors want to gain a better understanding of the whole sales of revenue by product line and how is this varies of month to month and across warehouse. You have been tasked with calculating the net revenue as you said in this construction here. Uh, so this is the name of table, okay? Start coding here. I will use select and put all column and from sale sales, okay, and put semicolon. See, this is the field and this is record for this field. Okay, we have field 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, menu of fields. He says here for field of this field, okay? Date, we have month. Don't have day, a month. We have date here, we don't have month. Warehouse here, the same. Net revenue, we don't have net revenue because it is two field contains total, as you remember, total and payment fee, yes. So product line, product line here. So I will use product line as it is usually here. Nothing different. And as I see for month, we need to use case. It is important because we want to extract which date, which month, or which month of that, which month of the sales. Okay, there is July, June, and August. And when extract because we want to extract from date the month, just month. Extract. Okay. You put month here because it is month, and from where? From what? From the field called date. Okay, date. After that, equal 6. What is 6? It is then equal June. I will repeat this sentence again for 7 and 7 July and August. I will use here and paste it again and just change 6 for 7 and put June for July, July here. And again for 8 and put what does it mean? Sorry, Augustus. Uh, August. Yes, like this. We now finished. We have finished just 2 columns of that. What it means? No, we need to put in here and as allies because allies like month. You need to put it in month. We have finished just like product line and month. Okay. If I generated this code, it will be this will be run. Yes, you see month, but it does. We haven't finished yet because we want to use warehouse also and put comma here for uh, warehouse and it will be same. There is no different, there is no change for warehouse. It would be the same column as we take it from the table and put it in the screen, just like this. And here we will use net, not net, we wouldn't have it, okay, sorry, sum for total field, total, and minus the sum of total payment fee, yes, payments fee. Okay. After that, we analyze it as net revenue. Revenue. So, so if I will generate this code, it will be error because, as I said before, we need to put it in group by. because we use aggregate function here. The sum is from aggregate function. See, it will be generated. So for that I will be using not like this and sorry sales I put here group by what? Group by all all field that didn't use aggregation function. What is this? Products line and also month and also warehouse here. And finally use like the result should be stored product line and month followed by net revenue. Okay. Order by products line. By default it will be ascending. In here we will use descending order. So we use descending order here. ESS here, descending order. Month also will be DSS, descending order. For warehouse, we don't have use warehouse. We use net revenue. Net revenue. So here will be DSS. And after that, put comma. Before that, we will need to use where because I think because if let me generate this zero, it will be it will be fine. Yes, it will be fine. After that, if I submit the project, I think it is will be error because there's something missing. Expected 48 rows. We have here 53 rows. So go here, go here. They have provided that data types contain table called sales. The result should be all sales. See, all sales. This is means in the client data type as I see in the table should be wholesales. Okay, wholesales. This is means we need to use where and put clients client type and put it equal to what wholesale wholesale. After that, use run. See, 80 48 rows for that. Your solution doesn't look. So if I submit it again, yes, correct. We have finished this project. It is very simple and very easy for this problem. So that is the explanation of the my project. So let me review first, review again, uh, fastly. Selected means select the column of the field, which is field from the table. From table, what does it mean from table? Cells, these tables. After that, we use aggregate function for net revenue. If we use aggregate function, we need to put all field that didn't use aggregate function into group. After that, we put it into group. Okay, we use where from client type to put it in just in wholesale because what because we want to uh, just calculate for wholesales, not just another time. After that, he says order the product line descending order, and also month for descending order and net revenue for descending order. So use here substitution and traction, and substitution and traction, they are all of them in descending order. Also for net revenue, if you go again for three page, frame and body, also in descending order. So we have finished.